Hey, Cikgu Justin here. Okay, today Cikgu Justin nak tunjuk you one of the very cool website. Basically, this is called Replit. Okay, Replit. What it does is, memang ini ada satu AI tool yang you can produce any type of web application ataupun website tanpa coding. Right? Means it's very simple. Log into the Replit ataupun kalau tak ada Replit, you just sign up. I just log in. Okay, so once I log in, I will see something like this. Okay, so memang cikgu dah, what do you call this, I already have an account over here. So I'm going to log in by using my Google account. Depend on you lah kalau you, what do you call this, if you're using GitHub ataupun apa-apa, it doesn't matter, but this is my Google account, so I'm going to log in by using my Google account. So once you have logged in by using a Google account, right, dia akan satu interface yang macam tu, alright. Then let's see what we can do. I just kind of explored this like few days ago. Memang bagus lah. It can, dia boleh menghasilkan banyak application and you don't actually have to pay a single. You have to pay a bit kalau you ambil yang, kalau you nak buat lebih complicated punya web application, but then you can try it out for free lah, okay. So what I'm going to do is, kat sini you can tulis what you want, okay. So hari ni cikgu nak buat satu income tracker, right. I want to track my company's income ataupun track, maybe kalau cikgu ada kedai tom yum kan, I nak track my kedai tom yum income lah, okay. So I'm going to do is, I want to create an app to track my monthly income. Okay, right. Okay, nak track this. This would be a website where I can insert all my expenses, okay, and expenses, okay. I think I should change to my monthly expenses lah, not monthly income, expenses lah, monthly expenses lah, okay. Insert all my monthly expenses. I'm not sure, shouldn't say monthly expenses, where I can insert my daily expenses, okay. This app should allow me to log in, and also basically kita nak dia maybe like log in, okay, and also what else we want, and also see all my expenses in a month, okay. This is a very simple one. So let's start building right now. And if you tekan kan Replit, what it does, Replit will kind of like, it will study what you want, then dia akan bagi satu result, okay, what you want to do. So like Replit akan, you give some time for Replit to think first. Memang sangat, you can kind of like do any kind of application. Maybe for this couple of weeks, right, I will do several application. I will show it to you. Then maybe you can use Replit for your project lah, maybe side project. But I don't recommend this for final year project, guys. For those who are studying as what they call this degree atau master, final year project memang I tak recommend lah, walaupun you boleh buat, because I prefer you learn by yourself rather than use AI to do any kind of software for you, because totally I don't like it, okay. So basically, tengok the Replit cakap, I will have you to create an expenses tracking application using Streamlit. It's one of the application, you can check it out. We will implement authentication, daily expenses entry, monthly expenses visualization features, and MVP, server storage, and provide basic analytics. Would you like to proceed with the implementation? Tengok dia bagi suggestion kat sini, right? Okay. Would you like any of these additional feature? We also make changes later. Okay. Dia bagi post SQL database integration, advanced expense analytics insights, budget plannings and tracking, export. Okay, ini I think we need all of these. Advanced expense analytics. Okay. Kalau you buat website ni, if a programmer will ask you to do, if you find a programmer, kalau you cari programmer buat website, ini kira-kira, I tell you right, at least you need to spend at least like 20k, 20,000. Tapi now you don't have to, you can use AI agent to do it. This is basically the best part. So let's approve everything. And tengok Replit akan start to, what it does is, it will start to write the software. Wait first. Nampak tak? Okay, Replit akan tulis software sendiri. Maybe you tak akan faham software ini, it doesn't matter. If you are a startup company and you don't have much, tak cukup money lah nak buat, tak cukup duit nak buat application kan, you can use Replit. Yeah, you can start to use Replit, and if you can modify from it, it's good, alright? Kalau you tak boleh modify, you can continue to use Replit because it's basically kind of like really budget. We understand, right? Memang kadang-kadang kita faham kan, kita baru buka business, nak invest banyak-banyak, memang susah, right? Okay, correct. So you kind of like have this application to create what they call these what software for you guys untuk kedai tom yum kah, kedai nasi kandar kah, whatever lah, you can do this, or you want to track your income or your household income, boleh juga guna software ni. Normally kita tak guna Excel lah. The reason why, there are many reasons lah. Kalau you buka kedai kan guna Excel, people can, you know, can edit it and so on, right? So we prefer to use this kind of things. Okay, so okay, so let's see first what it does. Okay, so it's trying to create, tengok tak dia akan create satu screenshot bagi you. It's a very simple screenshot, cukup lah, right, for a simple app, right? Okay, can you see the tracker login page with the actions, either the login register? Ya, memang you boleh nampak kan kat sini kan, you can see when you click register, dia akan register, when you click login, dia akan login. Senang, bagus. Yeah, okay. Are both of the tabs visible and accessible? Dia akan tanya you, right? So basically, before it actually you can deploy maksudnya letakkan program ni ke dalam hosting, right? It lets you kind of like feel with how it looks like, right? So, yeah, but there's nothing here. There's nothing. Oh, there's a print, return, setting, print, record screen, and so on. Okay, cool. Then I would say yes. Okay, both tabs visible. Yes. Okay, let's see what it does some more. Let's see what it does. Okay. I'll report this progress and proceed with the implementation of expense tracking features. Sekarang dia nak buat expense tracking features pula, right? Let's see how the website does. So banyak orang guna tak website Replit for projects? Yes, there's a lot of people using it. Kat Malaysia memang mungkin tak ada lagi lah, but in US, in Europe, right, there's a lot of people using it. Okay, especially startups company, right? For me personally, my personal opinion, right, I'm not against Replit. My personal opinion, kalau you start up, I think it's good to use it. But if you want a lot of customization, lebih bagus you ambil programmer, because you can do even much more than that, right? Okay, AI will have an AI touch, right? Definitely you can see it, but human touch, kadang-kadang kita nak ambil human touch, right? Because terlalu too much of an AI, right, it makes it very boring. Okay, the whole layout. Okay. The agent has reported a new progress, implement user authentication, login registration functionality using Streamlit. Okay, everything good. I can start working on the new features. Okay, so dia nak you add a database to the store data. I think yes, let's add a database. Kita nak add database for sure, because kita nak track all the expenses, right? Okay, cool. Looks here. So dia akan guna satu database panggil PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is very similar like SQL, so it's a very popular database. And you see, it does all these kind of like complicated kind of programming. Then you can move it from there onwards lah. Okay. Okay. So let's see what else it does. Ending. Okay. So I realized that this software, right, what it does is it's creating a Python software, a Python script over here. So I will look at it later. Okay, you can now view your Streamlit in your browser by clicking on this one. Okay. Let's see first. Wait first. Sekarang dah buat apa sekarang? These are the changes can review. Okay, so kat sini lah. Okay, I updated the application using PostgreSQL instead of CSV. Could you try registering a new user? Let's try registering a new user lah. Okay, and see. Okay, I will call myself maybe like Guru Coding. Alright. Password I will say Guru Coding 123. Senang lah sikit. Okay, I takut I lupa lah. Guru Coding, alamak, betul buka ni. Okay, let's see Guru Coding 123. Okay, let's register. Remember, username is Guru Coding. Guru Coding. Then this one is password is Guru Coding 123. So it's make sure it's easy lah. So register. So let's see whether it register problem. Registration is successful. Please log in. Okay, sekarang kita nak log in pula. Okay, let's see. Guru Coding. Hopefully I remember the password. Guru Coding 123. So we are logging in right now. Okay, let's not save this one because ini temporary saja. Alright, okay. You already have this, okay. Cool. Let's add some expenses lah. Maybe ini 10 ringgit, category food. Okay, dah ada banyak benda. Oh, it creates for us all the category, right? You can add more category if you want to. Let's say, for example, food, transportation, house, utilities, entertainment, shopping. There are more. Maybe we can do a few more later. Okay, later lah. Let's say this one is food is. I cakap maybe I makan, let's say expenses food maybe beli sayuran. Okay, beli sayuran. Okay, add expenses. They say 10 ringgit too less lah kalau buka kedai tom yum kan. Add expenses. Okay, expenses added. Okay, yeah, not very perfect, but yeah, it looks like what it wants lah. Okay, then then let's view the expenses and see. Oh, there's some error over here, guys. Okay. Let's see first. Okay, if you see some error, right? No, you can just say that there is an error at the expenses. Can you fix it? Tulis saja. So dia akan fikir dulu. Okay. Okay. I see there's an error in the expenses tracking functionality. Looking at the logs, there's a value error trying to convert database row to dictionary. So dia akan fix this error by itself. Tengok tak, you tak payah, you just have to communicate just like a normal language and you can fix it by itself. Cool, right? But you may be thinking a lot of things. How can I implement more features? Boleh tak? Yeah, boleh. We will do it later, okay? We will definitely do it. Let's look at it again, okay? Expenses, okay, I guess, okay, so now definitely I think he's gonna ask me to log in again as usual lah. Okay, guru coding 1 2 3. Let's see first. Don't save it lah. Okay, let's view the expenses. Expenses dah masuk dah ni dah. Okay, I nampak list I dah. Okay, maybe this is not very good, right? Let's give some data lah. Okay, I lazy nak buat data kan. Let's give some data. Okay, can you add sample data expenses for, let's say, 3 months? Okay, maybe like, okay, let's make this AI work a bit. Because kadang-kadang kita nak sample data and we want to test it whether it works. Boleh tak work untuk 1 bulan, 2 bulan, 3 bulan and so on. So this is very important. Because kalau tak nanti, after you use this software for 1 month then got problem, right? Kita tak nak macam tu, right? So you can do kind of a test and let's see. It should be very simple. So let's look at it. Wait. Wow. So with this kind of application coming up, cikgu I want to ask your comment lah. Do you think there's actually it's a threat to all the software developer yang nak belajar software kan, those who are doing freelancing do you think there's a threat or not? Because now AI can do most of your work, you see. So maybe you can comment lah. Okay, let's say guru coding again. Then I will say guru coding 1 2 3. I wonder how long I do. Okay, never again. I don't know. Let's view my expenses. Okay, alright. This is my. Looks like it didn't add any kind of first create admin user. Okay, let me see. Login user. Oh, they asked me to. Sorry. I kind of like they asked me to log in because it creates admin then password admin 1 2 3. Let's log in by using it admin 1 2 3. This is basically adminan lah. They because the system cakap kan is loading all the data that you kena baca kat sebelah sini. Alright, so let's log in and see. Okay, let's view all the expenses. It should be here. No expenses found in the selected data range. Okay. Let's try maybe from this one 24 to today. Okay, let's see, is there any data that here? Okay, no data. I don't see any data for my admin account. I would like to see sample expenses. Okay, data from, kita letaklah from let's say dari maybe November to January, November 2024, okay, 2024 to January 2024, okay, 2025 lah, okay. Let's see what problems it is there. Okay. Tengok, I will add some sample data and everything. Okay, let's see now first. Okay, dia sekarang dia letak all the sample data. Looks pretty simple kind of sample data, right? It's okay. Okay. Looks like it's done. Okay, kita kena log in as admin. Then admin 1, 2, 3. Log in. Okay, add expenses, view expenses. Let's view all the expenses. No expenses because ini February kan, we have to go to January, December, November. Kita sampai pula bulan. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You can see, tak payah letak lah. You can see from here, guys. Kita buka website besar-besar lah. Can lah. Loading your page. Okay. Full size. Okay, example. Okay, so kita ambil admin. Okay, admin 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's how it goes. Okay, so let me create. Okay, okay. See, nampak tak kat sini kan there's a, okay, let's look at the expenses. Is there any expenses there? Let me start with, alright, maybe kat sini lah, okay. Alright, so 1667 lah. So you akan nampak graph ini, everything lah. And basically you can actually print out also. Let's print out and see. If you print out, boleh juga kan. You can actually print as into my computer lah, right? Okay, you can print out. You can save as PDF. And so on. So you can see pretty much like these are the expenses yang you ambil. Can I see the list of expenses? Yeah, kat sini bawah lah. The printing is not so fine, but then it is actually okay lah. It's not so bad. I mean, for one first time ad, right? You boleh adjust from there. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's see first. Okay, everything is fine over here. Let's say I want to. Let's say it's a full screen, right? Oh, this is basically for you to see the full screen lah. Okay, okay. And this one, the button is you can download a CSV file also. Okay, now let's say kita buka CSV file. Kita boleh download CSV file. Okay, just once. Yes. Okay. Nampak tak, guys? Very user friendly. See, you can see all the CSV, the housing and so on. Nampak kat sini kan? Yes, this is how it goes. Okay, then you may be asking like, you maybe will be asked, boleh tak buat macam, let's say like kadang-kadang kan kalau you ada add expenses, right? If you want to, for example, this is the category kan, you maybe want to write about another, let's say you want to add another category, you tak tahu macam nak add, right? So very simple, just come here, can you add category for, let's say kita tak apa, housing, rental, utilities, entertainment, others, let's say category for, let's say transportation, house, utilities, entertainment, shopping. Maybe you can just say, let's say kita nak apa lagi ya? Let's say design lah. Kita buat satu add category for, let's say design. Let's say commission. category commission. Tak nak lah, commission tak best lah. Category for, let's say electricity lah. Example lah, electricity. Okay, let's see how does it add or not. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Come on. Okay, let's try admin lah. Admin 1 2 3. Let's see. Okay, so kita ada satu electricity. Macam mana tak ada electricity kat sini? Oh lama. Could you log in and admin 1 2 3 and check electricity category? Oh, I tak nampak lah electricity category, right? Something is wrong. Let's try again and see. I don't see it. Can you add electricity as one of the category? Selectable options. Okay. Kadang-kadang AI tak faham my choice of prompt. Alright. So you have to tell it again. Right. So yep. Okay, let's see. So it's editing the Python script right now because you can see it's a .py. Memang ini .python kan. So nampak tak? They are trying to add another. Let's see first whether it works. If it works, that's it lah. Okay. So you have one admin account, and remember tadi kita ada satu account for guru coding as well, right? Okay. So let's see. Admin, then admin 1 2 3. Okay. Then you akan nampak electricity. Tengok tak? Senang. Tak payah buat apa-apa. Everything AI can do for you now. Very good. So remember just now kita ada satu account for guru coding kan, right? Let's see whether we can log in the guru coding. Guru coding and guru coding 1 2 3. Log in. It should be there, and our expenses shouldn't be the same because memang dia tak akan sama. Tadi RM100 still here, you see. So we have you boleh create satu website macam tu kan for all your staff or maybe all your businesses. Pretty cool, right? So if you have maybe kedai Tom Yum, maybe you have 10 kedai Tom Yum. Yeah, each of the kedai Tom Yum have one login and register account, right? So you can do it. Okay. So I think that will be all, guys. You can see there's multiple things over here that you can do. Memang you can do many things. So that's all for today. Memang that's all. So that's it lah. Okay. See you again. Bye bye.